go, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl Owen Company. Today we've got Mark here from Legend, the makers of van accessories, and you brought a van out today, decked out with Legend products. Mark, can you tell us a little bit about that?
Absolutely. So our van today comes with a complete upfit, providing the floors, the walls, the liners, the locks, the lights, the steps, everything that you need for a complete upfit for your van out there today. So with the steps, it is a mechanical step. It is going to be tied to the door. So it retracts as the door is closed, and it's going to come open with the door as you pull it out. It is a universal step. It is going to be tied to any vehicle that you possibly need out there, and then brackets are going to be preset for the other vehicles as well. With our lights, they are motion sensor lights, so it's going to come on, last for about 30 seconds, then it's going to go off when there is no motion in the back of the vehicle. As far as the walls and the liners, anything that you possibly need for protection, they are heat mitigated, so as it is hot here in Texas, we are going to provide the cooling aspect to keep you a lot cooler, have a nice workspace in the back of the vehicle, and provide the security that you're going to need while you're back there. So everything that you need from the floors to the ceiling, we've got it. All right, the locks are a universal lock. It is going to come with any vehicle. They are laser cut keys to the locks, so good luck trying to pick it because it's not going to happen.
There you have it. Thank you, Mark, for coming in today and telling us all about Legend. Legend has what you need to upfit your van, from steps to liners to lights to locks.
That's right.
You've got it all, and Earl Owen has it in stock and available for you. Hey guys, if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And remember to tune in every week for more truck-related products like this. See y'all next week.